How to install Voice AI on your device. First of all, go to your browser on your Windows desktop and search for Voice AI download. From the results, open the website that says Download Voice AI Installer. Make sure the site is from voice.ai. Once you click the link, your download will automatically start. After the download is complete, locate the setup file in your download folder and double-click it to launch the installation. A setup window will appear. Just follow the on-screen instruction. Accept the terms and conditions, select your install location if needed, and hit the install button. Next, once the installation is finished, open the Voice AI application. You will be prompted to create an account or login. If you are new, just sign up using your email address and verify it. Once you are logged in, the app may request microphone access. Make sure to grant the necessary permission so it can function properly. Now you can explore the available voice packs and AI tools. Many of them are free, but some features may require a premium upgrade. And that's it. Now you know how to install Voice AI on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.